In this video, we will show you how to perform a speed test for SSD, HDD, and USB drives in Windows without using any third-party software. First, open the Task Manager or Disk Management tool to check the disk number. As you can see, I have 3 disks on my computer, 1 HDD, 1 SSD, and 1 USB drive. Next, open Command Prompt, PowerShell, or Terminal as an administrator. Run this command with the disk number to perform the speed test. For example, I will test the HDD. Disk random 16.0 read. This indicates the speed of random reading of 16K data blocks. Disk sequential 64.0 read. This indicates the speed of sequentially reading 64K data blocks. Disk sequential 64.0 write. This indicates the speed of sequentially writing 64K data blocks. From the report, we can determine the reading and writing speeds of the drive. Now, test the SSD. Finally, test the speed of the USB device. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.